All right, welcome everybody. This is Mike Green with Keller Williams. In today's Business Spotlight, we have Heather Simmons, who with her husband Will own Pride Cleaners, one of the small businesses in our town. So Heather, you want to introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your company?
Sure. Thank you so much for having us, Mike. My name is Heather. Like you mentioned, it's my husband and myself. We've been in business over 25 years, full service laundry and dry cleaning facility. And we're just very grateful to be located in this community.
And I'm a customer of yours, a longtime customer. So why don't you tell us how you're different than everybody else?
So we actually process on-site both of our locations. So when you drop off with us, it does not leave our building. We also have tagless identification, so no paper tags in your clothes. We have a barcode, which helps us track your orders from start to finish. We can text you or email you when your order's ready. And we also offer free home and office pickup and delivery of your clothes.
Cool. Can you track me around town with that little code?
I'm sure there are some spouses that would love for me to be able to track their significant other, but we're not there yet.
Say, hey, how has the virus affected you guys? I know it's, everybody staying home now, so I would assume a lot less dry cleaning is happening.
Yes, so business fell off very sharply for us, and we're down a good 80%.
Wow.
I always tell people, no one's dry cleaning their yoga pants and pajamas. So, for us, when kids aren't in school, teachers aren't teaching, people aren't going out to restaurants, they're just not dressing up as much.
Yeah.
So we're really looking forward to hopefully the governor on Monday telling us that things can kind of start picking back up and slowly but surely opening and get people back in a routine and get them to start wearing some cleanable clothes.
Yeah. Well, how can we help? That's a real purpose of this little webinar is how can we help you? Small business like yourself.
So we are open. We've seen an increase in household items coming in. So we do clean comforters, some draperies, tablecloths. I'm also encouraging people, if you're sitting on your winter clothes and we're waiting to bring those in, bring us those sweaters in. Let us get those cleaned and packaged for you to put up and store until the next winter. And just go out when things start to open back up, as you're comfortable, go start frequenting those restaurants and those other small businesses here in town and help us start to get our economy back on the track.
Do you guys have a website?
We do. It is www.pridecleaners.net.
Hey, well, that's great. So when I was trying to think of who to put on these webinars, I thought about who gives to the community all the time. And I know every event I go to, Pride Cleaners is donating something, silent auctions. And so you guys must just get killed with donations, and you guys always step it up. So I think it's time for the community to step up and support you guys in a time when you guys could probably use it. So thank you. And hey, let's just talk 30 minutes about real estate real quick. For those looking to buy a house, now is a great time to buy. If you're waiting for the prices to drop, I would not wait. Inventory is getting smaller, and if prices do drop, interest rates are going to go up, and that'll cost you more in the long run. So if you're interested in buying, now is a great time. Give me a call. I'd love to help you. And I want to thank Heather for coming in, and you have a great week.
Thanks, Mike. Thank you. Thanks for your
Bye-bye.
visit. Bye-bye.